Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to upload a video to your Google Drive. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and open up the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account, guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the files that you have in your Google Drive. So as you can see right here under suggested, I have all of my files that I have recently used. Here I can see my folders where I can group my files into them, and if I scroll down a bit more, I can see all of the files that I have that aren't grouped in any folder. So yeah, guys, let's go back to the top of the page and let's look at the left side of the screen. You can see you have multiple options for viewing your files, and over that option is a button called New. So guys, I will be showing you two ways that you can use for uploading videos, and you can choose the one you like the most. But yeah, guys, the first thing is going ahead and clicking on this button right here called New. After clicking on New, guys, this will now open up this new menu where you can choose multiple options that you want to upload. We're going to choose the option right here called File Upload. Go ahead, guys, and click on File Upload, and now you will go ahead and locate the folder where you want to find your video that you want to upload. I'm going to use this video right here. Go ahead and select it and click on Open. After clicking on Open, guys, now this will automatically upload your video to Google Drive, and after refreshing the page, guys, you'll be able to see that your video is uploaded, as you can see right here. So guys, that's one way to do it. Another way that you can do it, guys, I'm going to go ahead and remove this video. The other way that you can do it, guys, you can go ahead and open up that folder on your PC and go ahead and find the video that you want to upload. So this is the video right here, and all we're going to do, guys, is go ahead and click on the video and then drag it to our Google Drive. So guys, right there, hold the video and drag it to Google Drive and just let it go in Google Drive. As you can see, it will do the exact same thing and upload the video. We can now refresh and see that the video has been uploaded to your Google Drive. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.